All right, guys, we're over here at Junction, and we actually have a little shop set up over here also. Now, I want to show you just how far we're willing to go when we do find a problem. As you can see, we've got this Chevelle off the frame. We actually took this frame off restoration off the frame, and we ran the frame over to the frame shop where they tweaked it a little bit just to make sure it was absolutely perfect. And this is how far we're willing to go. So I'll show you what they actually did. They did a beautiful job. They did a frame off restoration. They restored the frame, they restored the bottom of the car, they did everything, but they didn't straighten the frame. So more than likely, they probably didn't have the facilities to do it. Well, we're in Detroit. We've got great facilities here in Detroit for building cars. Y'all know that. So what the frame guy did is he hooked onto it here and he just gave this just a little bit of a tug. Now everything is perfectly straight and we're ready to set the car back down on the body. We're going to drop the motor in and man, we're going to have a great car.